Good day and welcome back to Nova Armory. In our last video, we talked about the specifics of the gun buying process. If you missed it, visit our YouTube channel to watch many of our interesting videos. Today, we would like to talk to you about choosing the right firearm. Whether you are a first-time buyer or a seasoned gun owner, you should consider the following when selecting a firearm. Step 1. The purpose of your firearm. Step 2. Quality versus price. Step 3. Size of the grip and safety selection. Step 4. Recoil and caliber. The purpose of your firearm. Believe it or not, but firearms do not all serve the same purpose. Do you plan on owning one for home defense or concealed carry? Or maybe you plan on hunting, or maybe you're simply an avid sportsman that loves a good game of sporting clays or skeet. Why do you want a handgun? Every firearm serves a different purpose. Handguns are an obvious choice for concealed carry, and you may also think the same for home defense, but imagine being in the dark trying to stop an intruder. You will probably want something with adequate power, reliability, and ease of use to ensure you connect with your intended target. In this case, the time-tested shotgun is always a popular choice. Just the sheer sound of someone racking a pump shotgun is sometimes enough to deter an intruder. For hunters and sportsmen, a rifle could be just the thing you need. Ultimately, it's best to determine your firearm's most critical function before going shopping. This will best guide your selection. Quality versus price. You've probably heard you get what you pay for. And in most cases, this holds true in day-to-day life. This is no different when deciding on your firearm of choice. Given the worst-case scenario, and what could be at stake every time you decide to pull the trigger, you should never sacrifice quality. Buying a firearm is a life investment, and you shouldn't cut corners. Focus on what's comfortable for you and research brands. After that, you can shop for the deals. Here at Nova Armory, we carry various trusted and respected brands, including but not limited to Glock, Smith & Wesson, FN, Sig Sauer, Heckler & Koch, Aero Precision, and Mossberg, just to name a few. Grip size and safety selection. Getting a small pocket revolver may sound like a great option for concealed carry, but what if you have larger hands? This grip may feel awkward. Your firearm should be an extension of your person. You should never try and force the fit of a firearm or settle for something that makes you compromise control of the firearm. Making sure you can comfortably and securely hold your firearm and execute all of its functions is extremely important. When it comes to safety selection, we recommend a standard thumb safety for beginners or new gun owners. However, there are two other common safeties: grip safeties and trigger safeties. It is not uncommon to see two or more safeties integrated into a single firearm design. Regardless of the design, what's most important with this selection is that you can comfortably and reliably operate the gun's safety mechanism. This should be second nature. Recoil and caliber. Generally speaking, higher caliber projectiles tend to produce a greater amount of recoil to the shooter when firing his or her weapon. Typically, for smaller framed individuals, an extremely high caliber firearm may not be the best choice. Recoil, when not effectively managed, can often lead to anything from minor problems all the way to far more serious problems such as an accidental discharge or injury to the shooter. In addition to this, high caliber rounds tend to be more expensive, so if you are a new shooter and or just getting the hang of a new firearm, you may want to consider these factors. Well-aimed shots are far more effective than a bullet that misses entirely. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video beneficial. Visit us online to learn more interesting facts about gun ownership. Remember, education is key in the pursuit of being a safe and responsible gun owner. For questions, please email us at support@novaarmory.com. You can also visit us online at www.novaarmory.com to obtain information on store hours, location, and even shop with us. We would also like to connect with you on social media. Like and or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for trusting us.